Reactions coming in because it was the same Sanjay Singh Pragya who had come out in a 90-second press briefing to admit that yes, such kind of an incident had happened. It is condemnable and appropriate action would be taken. What changed? What changed, Pragya?
Well, this is the question that everyone is asking right now of Sanjay Singh as well. Sanjay Singh was the first one to come out and said that whatever happened to Swati Maliwal was because of Bibhav Kumar, and everyone should be apologetic about it, and there will be action against Bibhav Kumar as well. But later on, we saw how Bibhav Kumar accompanied Chief Minister on his tour to Mumbai as well before coming here from Amritsar. And within 24 hours, there was Atishi also speaking about against, in fact, Swati Maliwal. So everyone is asking questions. Why the change of the strategy, why the change of statements that have come out from Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well? Because Sanjay Singh is someone who Kejriwal trusted a lot. And if Sanjay Singh came out and said that Miss Maliwal was attacked by Bibhav Kumar, that means there was some kind of truth to that statement as well. But the veracities need to be investigated, checked, but that will come later on. Prima facie, this looks like that they have come in support of Bibhav Kumar, but no one is answering and no one is the questions that had been posed to them, why Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal did not come out in support of
interrupting you again because we are staying with those live pictures that are now coming in. आरपी सिंह जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं. आरपी सिंह जी, आज अरविंद केजरीवाल सामने आए, अपने ऑफिस, अपने दफ्तर आम आदमी पार्टी के हेडक्वार्टर्स में वो नजर आए. 11 मिनट तक उन्होंने बात की सर, लेकिन ना बिभव कुमार का नाम लिया, ना स्वाति मालीवाल का नाम लिया. उन्होंने सीधा हमला किया तो बीजेपी पर. उनकी तरफ से अब कहा जा रहा है कि बीजेपी ऑपरेशन झाड़ू चला रही है सर.
नहीं, झाड़ू ऑपरेशन तो वो चला रहे हैं जो अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को पिटवाते हैं, अपने जो पार्टी के सांसद हैं उनको पिटवाते हैं और फिर ये नौटंकी करते हैं. इनमें क्या है कि वो मूल बात से लोगों का ध्यान हटाना चाहते हैं. मूल बात है कि सीएम ऑफिस के अंदर, सीएम के ड्राइंग रूम के अंदर एक महिला सांसद की पिटाई हुई, उनकी पार्टी के महिला सांसद की पिटाई हुई. और जो पहला स्टेटमेंट महिला सांसद ने दिया था वह दिया था कि मैं सीएम निवास पर हूं, उन्होंने मुझे अपने पीए विभव कुमार से बुरी तरह पिटवाया. उन्होंने मतलब केजरीवाल ने. ये मूल बात है. अब विभव कुमार अब क्योंकि पुलिस हिरासत में, पुलिस उनकी जांच कर रही है, तो उसमें वह उनको डर लगा हुआ कि विभव कुमार कहीं ये ना बोल दें कि उन्होंने मतलब कि केजरीवाल है. वो इस बात से लोगों को ध्यान भटकाने के लिए सभी नौटंकी धरना प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं. जो महिलाओं के ऊपर जिस प्रकार से अत्याचार या दुर्व्यवहार जो किया जा रहा है दिल्ली में, ये बात उसके ऊपर है, परंतु उस पर वो बात करेंगे नहीं, बाकी सब इधर उधर की बात करेंगे.
नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ घंटों में ऐसा क्या बदल गया कि आम आदमी पार्टी एकदम से यू टर्न ले लिया सर? क्योंकि वही संजय सिंह थे जिन्होंने माना था कि हाँ हादसा हुआ और ये निंदनीय हादसा और कार्रवाई की जाएगी. ऐसा क्या बदल गया सर कुछ घंटों बाद?
देखिए, मुझे जो लगता है कि संजय सिंह ने उनसे बातचीत की, स्वाति मालीवाल जी से बातचीत करके उनको ये वादा किया, प्रॉमिस किया कि हम विभव कुमार के खिलाफ एक्शन लेंगे, आप रुकिए, हम एक्शन लेंगे. अगले दिन जिस दिन उन्होंने ये वादा किया उस दिन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करी और कहा हाँ घटना हुई, हम विभव कुमार के खिलाफ एक्शन ले रहे हैं. परंतु विभव कुमार के खिलाफ एक्शन लेने से पहले विभव कुमार ने शायद इनको ब्लैकमेल किया, इनके राजदार है वो, इसलिए अगले दिन उसके साथ लखनऊ दिखे हुए. तो केजरीवाल और संजय सिंह दोनों के साथ वह लखनऊ में था. और प्रॉब्ली दिस लेड टू दी कंप्लेंट लॉन्च बाय स्वाति मालीवाल की. उन्होंने सोचा था कि शायद ये एक्शन लेंगे, परंतु जब इन्होंने एक्शन लिया तो वह मजबूर हो गई एक्शन लेने के लिए. और उसके बाद इन्होंने उनको बदनाम करना शुरू कर दिया कि वो भाजपा के साथ मिल गई हैं, वह मुकदमा, ये सब बात की आफ्टर थॉट है. पर
वो तो हमने देखा सर, क्योंकि वो लगातार ब्रीफिंग्स करते हुए भी आ रहे हैं उनके पार्टी के मिनिस्टर्स. लेकिन आज जब अरविंद केजरीवाल बोले, कम से कम 11 मिनट के लिए उन्होंने एक बारी भी स्वाति मालीवाल का नाम नहीं लिया. धन्यवाद आपका आरपी सिंह जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. लाइव पिक्चर्स आर कमिंग इन आउटसाइड द आम आदमी हेडक्वार्टर्स. इट सीम्स दैट अरविंद केजरीवाल is coming out any minute now. There are already warnings and announcements being done on part of the Delhi police. Let me go back to Tejshri. Tejshri, we are looking at a lot of movement there. It seems the chief minister is coming out.
Well, yes, there's a lot of movement over here, and let me show you the gate from which the Chief Minister is going to come in. And there you see on your screens, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be coming out in any time from now to join this protest. Surprisingly, you see the contradiction because Sanjay Singh, the one who held the press conference, was the first one to step in to participate in this protest, who said that the
we can now see the Chief Minister, Tetri, just interrupting you, just describing the pictures. He's making his way out now. Yes, go on. Go on, Tetri, keep talking to us. We can see the Chief Minister.
Well, yes, there you see Chief Minister in your frame. Yes, Amita, Chief Minister in our frame, walking out to protest against the arrest of Bibhav Kumar. We'll try to ask him the questions as to what is his response. Chief Minister, what is the strict action taken against Bibhav Kumar? How will you respond? What is the strict action that you have taken? What is the strict action that you took against Bibhav Kumar? So there you see Chief Minister in your frame, and there again all the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party are also accompanying him. Sanjay Singh, Raghav Chadha, Atishi, Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bharadwaj, all the ministers protesting against the arrest of PS Bibhav Kumar, against the former PS Bibhav Kumar. And in his address, Arvind Kejriwal had already mentioned that it is the conspiracy of BJP, and in fact he has also targeted the Prime Minister, saying that that Prime Minister wants to finish off Aam Aadmi Party and it is their conspiracy to do so. So there you see huge crowd, Karyakartas support in support of Bibhav Kumar against his arrest. They will be marching towards the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters at ITO, but seems like that they will not be allowed to cross the barricades, and if not allowed to cross the barricades, then what next, Amita? Then they will be sitting over here just outside the party office. Hundreds of Karyakartas are gathered. We will keep on showing you the visuals of Chief Minister, first protest of Chief Minister after he walks out on interim bail. But question remains the same. Rajya Sabha MP, women Rajya Sabha MP of his own party, assaulted, threatened, and not only assaulted and threatened but also abused, slang used against her by his former PS Bibhav Kumar. And what action was taken against him? No action taken. And in fact, a counter press conference was held. I should say that the statements and the actions are both contradictory to what Aam Aadmi Party was doing, and Aam Aadmi Party was saying. Because we still remember the pictures of Bibhav Kumar, who was accompanying Arvind Kejriwal at the Lucknow airport. There are the Karyakartas who are now all ready, along with Chief Minister, to march towards the BJP headquarters. We are also trying to move to that particular area, but let me tell you that the security deployment is very high, and let us make our way from here so that we can give you a better picture so as to how this protest is happening over here, how this march is taking place. Visuals will show in full frame that what is happening just outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Lot of drama is unfolding over here. There also you see posters. Jail ka jawab vote se, the posters that were first used at the Ramlila Maidan in fact the press conference after Arvind Kejriwal was inside the jail. Sunita Kejriwal was in fact playing the role or representing Arvind Kejriwal, giving his message to the people. And there you see Arvind Kejriwal along with other ministers, a huge drama unfolding over here. And we were talking about the posters. Yes, Amita, the posters where it's written that jail ka jawab vote se, then it writes Arvind Kejriwal ko insulin do, and then you see Arvind Kejriwal also in his address had said earlier that there is a conspiracy that they want to arrest all their leaders. But question over here is that post that we have also seen the post, the social media post of Swati Maliwal, where she says that if these efforts were made for Manish Sisodia, then he would have not been in jail. He would have been out on bail. So Swati Maliwal clearly was hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party. She was upset by the kind of statements, by the actions that they are taking, and that she was very much upset by the fact that she had to also prove her innocence, and that she had to prove that there was an assault that happened at Chief Minister's residence. And we also saw that the Chief Minister, yesterday, how the Delhi police reached Chief Minister's residence while he was present inside. Bibhav Kumar was arrested. Important to notice, Raghav Chadha was also arrested. Again, again we are showing you the visuals. Chief Minister along with all the ministers walking towards the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters, few meters away from the barricades, and that we are expecting that now they will be sitting over here only because they will not be allowed to move forward. And also remember that when Aam Aadmi Party had alleged that it is happening on the behest of BJP and that Swati Maliwal is doing it because she has got the instruction from the BJP. So it is certainly that Swati Maliwal had also echoed from her social media handle mentioning that she had been knowing Arvind Kejriwal for past 20 years. And yes, it is a known truth, known fact that Arvind Kejriwal, Bibhav Kumar and Swati Maliwal, all three of them have been knowing each other since more than 2 decades, because it is the time when Arvind Kejriwal co-founded an organization, and at that point of time all three of them were the part of this organization. But today, you see the pictures. The party now is divided into two. Like Swati Maliwal says that action has not been taken. Whatever happened inside CM's residence was really surprising, devastating, heartbreaking. A women MP, still no action being taken in fact. And the question over here is that, ironical towards Sanjay Singh said that action being taken, they are supporting. They are here standing in support of Bibhav Kumar, the former PS, to Arvind Kejriwal. So massive drama unfolding outside the BJP headquarters.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.